When we talk about any global business entity, so every organization has its own hierarchy or structure of presence globally. In same manner, Google has its own global architecture like other cloud providers. Mainly, Google categorizes its services into two major domains or into two major areas. The first one is regions, while other one is its zone structure. Generally, Google regions and zones are designed to help you achieve resiliency and reliability for your business critical workloads. When we talk about the regions, each GCP region features data centers deployed within a latency defined parameter. They are connected through a dedicated regional low latency network. This design ensures that GCP services within any region offers the best possible performance and security. While when we talk about GCP zones, so the GCP zones are physically separate locations within each region. So at the top hierarchy, regions exist, while inside the regions we have number of zones that are tolerant to local failures. So failures can range from you can say software and hardware failures to events such as earthquakes, floods and fires. So tolerance to failures is achieved because of redundancy and logical isolation of GCP services. To ensure resiliency, a minimum of you can say 3 separate zones are present in all regions. So here you can see we have the global map of GCP services, and here we have the regions, and if we see the number of regions, so we have almost 28 regions right now available for GCP services. While when we talked about the zones, so we have 85 zones inside these 28 regions, and right now in almost 200 plus countries, Google GCP services available from where you can avail all kinds of services. It might be related to the compute services, or you can avail networking services or storage services or any kind of application level services from Google Cloud. So here when we move forward, here you can see we have network also available globally, and we have submarine cable structure which provide connectivity between all these data centers which are globally exist. So with the help of this global connectivity, we can achieve fault tolerance, we can achieve redundancy and all kinds of other features which any kind of enterprise business entity requires. So at the top regions exist, while inside the regions we have number of zones, and these zones contain number of data centers from where we can access all services which generally provide by GCP services. So let's move and explore how we can utilize this regional structure and zone structure when we are going to implement our projects inside the GCP. So let's move now.